Assalamualaikum. My name is Shamaru. I'm feeling tired and I have a very high fever. I think how much fever did you have? 100. So I think that you have some chicken pox. And for the chicken pox is apply caramel lotion and take painkillers for the headache. Having chicken pox, you need to have vaccination and put medical treatment. You don't need to have spicy food and have vaccination. Put medical treatment. We have Dr. Hamza and Dr. Manisha for some information on chicken pox. So let's start. So would you like to answer some questions? Yes, we would like to answer some questions. Okay, so what are chicken pox? Chicken pox is a disease that it is a contagious disease. Okay, so how does it transmit? It transmits to human to human. Okay, so how we can prevent ourselves? We can prevent this disease by having distance and having chickenpox vaccination. Okay, so that's all right. Thank you. What first question is, what is chickenpox? Chickenpox is a viral disease. It's transmitted by touching and sneezing. Okay. My second question is, how does chickenpox transmit? Chickenpox transmitted by touching and sneezing. My last question is, how do we prevent ourselves? My last question is, how do we prevent ourselves from chickenpox? Having a vaccination will minimize the system and give us immunity. Avoid infected people and don't share dishes with them. Okay.
The best thing in the video was the communication and the confidence of doctor and patient.
Another best thing is the body language of everyone.
Issues that they shouldn't communicate with the camera.